I'm from Maryland, and I've been doing home improvement for 30 years. I'll go in and I'll take a look at what they're looking to do. I talk about some of the things that are happening in the bathroom. I'll talk about how we can take care of the problems in the bathroom. And then I give them a step-by-step on how I can solve the problem. I usually keep them involved every step of the way. What I enjoy most about working with my customers is just the people. I'm a big people person. I like to talk to them about their dog, talk to them about their day, and mostly talk to them about what their vision is for what I'm doing for them. It's exciting for me when they get excited about what's happening. One of the things that makes what I offer different from the competitors out there is that, again, I'm a people person. I want to be involved with what the customer wants. And when I go in, I take a look at what they're looking for, and I try and help them to get that full sense of, this is where I want to be. I'll make some suggestions, I'll take their suggestions, and we'll come up with a solution that really fits what they want. But mainly, I want them to feel involved. I aim 5-star high, okay? And I help that customer understand and realize that the solution they're getting is 5-star high. When they have a vision in their mind, I want to produce that vision for them. And at the end of the day, when they can look at it and say, wow, this is exactly what I wanted, then I've done my job.